How to send a fax from iPhone. Start by finding the Fax from iPhone app on your iPhone. If you don't have it, install it via the App Store. Then open the application on your phone. Once you're in, you will see an interface like this. It will take some time to load. Once it's done, it will bring you to this page. Select the recipient's region, then input their number. If you want, you can add a cover page for your fax from here. When you reach this page, enter the required info and pick a suitable subject for your fax. Then, tap on Done to continue. You can attach your document file from here. You will find many options here. I'm choosing from the photo gallery. Now, I will select the image and tap on Fax Now at the bottom of my screen. Since I haven't added any recipient numbers, the fax won't send immediately. So if you're sending a fax from your iPhone, don't forget to put the number. So by following these easy steps, you can send a fax from your iPhone.